So if you're just tuning in, I'm very sorry. I forgot to start the video.
That's quite rude.
Well, I don't know. They should have been on too. Okay, so, and then so we take this -4 and we're going to plug it into our stuff up here. Okay, and so our equation is x squared plus 8x plus 19. So everywhere there's an x, we should be plugging in what?
4.
-4. And we're going to be using parentheses. So it's going to be -4 squared plus 8 times -4 plus 19. Okay, take a second, figure out what did I do? How did I get there? Okay, and so you're going to plug that in your calculator and it's going to outspit it right for you. That one sucks. Switch me, that one sucks. And here's parentheses. And then there's the negative, yeah. Close it, square.
3.
We'll chill. Good. You smell good.
That was one thing she always points out.
Because, bro, some people stink real bad.
Yes,
like
I
they
know.
ain't showered in months. So,
Yes.
like, I appreciate you showering and smelling good coming to school because I gotta be right here, and that's not fair to me. Freaking disgusting. But then I tell somebody they stink, and then all of a sudden I'm rude. That makes no sense. I feel like they're rude for showing up like that. All right, where's what did you guys get?
3.
3, and that one goes right here. Shut up. Okay, so it's going to be 3. Okay, and so we found everything that we need. We found our axis of symmetry and we found our vertex.
I totally did not forget how to do that.
Okay.
Ugh. Oh.
All right, let's look at the next one. 4? Is it 3? 3. Okay, so we can look at these. We know we need to find our axis of symmetry, which is always x equals, and our vertex is gonna be like that. Okay, so what is our A value?
1.
1, our B,
6.
C.
7.
Okay, so we got our A, B, and C. And then we need to do this negative B over 2A. So you're going to have negative parenthesis B over 2 times our A.
So it'd be -3, right?
-2, man.
Negative 6 over 2 times 1. Okay, so hit your fraction button on your calculator and figure out what is that number.
Yeah, -3.
Yep, so you're gonna get -3. And where does that go?
In the first one.
In the first spot
And on the AOS.
and on the AOS.
So now we just gotta throw it all together in.
You gotta throw it all together in this part
And then we
of the
have
equation.
-3 plus
Squared. So some of you guys kept forgetting that squared the other day. Remember, it's very important.
plus 6 times -3 plus 7.
Okay, if you get like a very big number when you type in this equation, okay, if you get like 106 or something for your answer, it's not that. That means you need to check this part first because something's probably wrong right there. Okay, you probably didn't type something right in the negative B over 2A part and it's probably wrong.
-2.
-2.
-8.
You being funny? Okay. What do you guys get?
-2.
Dante, you're kicked off the island.
Get out of here.
So what'd you say? I forgot.
-2.
-2. Okay, and boom, we're done.
I wrote 8. I wrote 8 instead of 6.
Why did you
How
have
do you want
6?
Just ignore him. Everybody knows who's slow. It's alright.
He probably did what I did last time and looked at the top one for reference and then got his numbers mixed up.
Andrew, you're so sweet to try to help him out.
Who?
Don't make excuses for him though. We know he's slow. You're not helping.
Oh.
Who said that? Oh. Since it's him, it's fine. Oh, it's you.
Oh.
Okay, look at 5. Okay, so we're gonna have our axis of symmetry, which is always x equals, and our vertex. Okay, Marco, what is A? 1. Jaylee, what's B? 4. Rhonda, what's C?
I'm actually on that 8.
Okay, so we got our A, B, and C, and then we need to use that formula, negative B over 2 times our A. Okay, so we can plug that in. So we got negative 4 over 2, and our A is 1. What'd you say? I know. I heard it. I just wanted to repeat it again. You trying to be like Marco? That's so cute. You got an idol.
I will be him.
Okay. We all heard it though.
It's
I got you.
Y is 4.
Okay, what is it?
Negative 2.
No,
Negative
for
2?
For the A list.
Chip.
Well, I don't like that we're so far behind and I'm finished this up.
Back, Chris.
Well, I would wait for you. Right? I'm not gonna say, it's too bad. You can't write that fast, you don't know what's going on, too bad.
You should. It'll help keep
No.
the speed up.
That's so weird. We're all for one, one for all. That's why I don't have no failures. Okay, and then we're ready to plug this in. So you're gonna have negative 2 squared plus 4 times negative 2 plus 8. Okay, when you're taking your quiz, you have to show all of these steps. Okay, so you can't just go through, look up here. Everybody, I'm not going until I see eyes. Dante! Look up here. Okay, I'm gonna come take your calculator and you're gonna have to wait. Okay, even though some of you guys just type this in on the calculator, you cannot do that on your quiz. You have to write it all out so I know what you typed. Okay, can't do that. What do you get for,
4.
Oh.
Get 4.
Negative 4?
4.
4? Okay. Can I scroll?
Absolutely right, sir.
Did you just?
And
Okay, 7. We got our AOS. It's going to be x equals and our vertex. Okay, what is our A?
1.
Husamar, what's our B?
Negative 6.
Negative 6. Okay, so don't just put 6. And our C? 11. Okay, and this is where, when the B is negative, this is where some of you guys screw it all up. Okay, so it's negative B over 2 times our A. So it's really going to be negative 6 over 2 times our A is 1.
Positive 3.
Okay, so because it says negative B, it's negative, and then whatever B is. And in this case, it's a negative. Okay, and so that's why parentheses are going to be really important, especially if you're trying to type them in on your calculator, because your calculator don't know. Okay, so what are you going to get?
Positive 3.
3, and where do I put that?
The x and the x equal can be 2.
Yeah, so it's going to go on both. Okay, and then you're going to have 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 11. Shut up, nothing. Okay, what'd you guys get? 2? Somebody else agree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? I don't know what the answer is, I'm gonna be honest. I don't. I don't go for freaking math.
I got 2.
2? 2? Okay, that's what we're going with.
I got 2.
Good.
I'll take you're a little late, but
You're a little slow in the head.
I'm not the one who got the last one.
It's
wrong.
okay. Sometimes
The last one wasn't wrong.